Yo, me mama kwaba eba ene abrocha setna. Me a me di chia me wo dwumadi mu ye frame Mama Doris. Na sede ye na ye nim no, se mutu kwan eba am akwa amanone anase mutu kwan eba abrocha. Eya na akwantufo na amaba no esese mu ka mu hu bom. Mu ye unified. Sede ebe ya obi hia mmoa bia yetimi buano anase yetimi buabua ye ho Ghanaian community e wo Toronto ha no ya hwe hu se hia se ye ka ye ho bom enu nti ye wo Ghana Union e wo krom ha GCAO Ghanaian Canadian Association of Ontario ya tisa association yi a ebuabua Ghana fo a ye wo Toronto ha na Ghana fo a ye wo Ontario ha na ene ye tra ye yie se ye nya President of the association owo efidue mu ha se obekyerekere yen djuma pa se koi edidiboa Ghana fo a ewo Toronto ha mema Mr. Emmanuel Dodu Akwaba abadwumadie so Mr. Dodu memo Akwaba abadwumadie mu yo yeda se yeto yensa frɛ wo no also di enije abase oni ebedi sankita hu na me pacho obetimi aka bibi kakra efa wo ho owura Dodu ono kra oye hwan
ye frame me ne se ne okan na ye frame Ghana ye frame kwakududu na dudu me no Ghana me free offense wa komada I was asante member me be krumwa be 30 something years ni be am ye adwuma wo be bia ye kriska I friend bank my adwuma wo be mfie aduonu enso ente ho na me wo
Pacho bank dey where
ye friend bank of Montreal anti one of the big banks e Toronto ho na me ye adwuma
yo ende eye me nwa krampo se wo ano wo sheda wo adwuma bi a wo ye if you said down no ya me hu wo community no mu pa nti ya me dwen sa ore community na ye tua ne ka na so no akasa nso owo na adwuma bi a oye nti ye da wase pa se wo mre ede ma ye community mu
one thing is say e bia se de ye nyina ya ba kontum say ne de e group mre bia ese yere wo bo ho afode na wo de bo umua anti e wo musi ye nyina ye adwuma de but time bi wo why betimi e betimi de sie no so say yenso no kwa be ne ye befa so a yenso ye be boa ye nkoda ye okruma ana se bia wo mo ahokyere wo ni pedu abra bom kwa be ne ye befa so ye betimi bo etimi so no kakra bi a metuma aye e de aboa community no de me meye
mo me bo wa baso if you say obi obeka se samwa no ebre no de beboa community no obekwa akoye double ama se gwenye sika efri mu enti no se watu hu esi wo se wo bua community ewo mu dia ene ye bo wa baso moni wadwuma pa wo ye wo community mu
that's it
yo na ansani ye be fi ye komo na se no me pese wo kyerɛkyerɛ etiefo ene ahwefo de Ghana Union no Ghana Union Association e dey pa na mo botai e dey pa na mo ye de boa just a money hwan
until that's a piece will be a question wo hwa Ghana for started so mo be kro e bi ba be the early 60s so mo ba no mo be school and at the early 70s so e bi ba no mo ba no mo kan ho bo mu se no mo no so e to mo kan so mo beti bi e friend Ghana Union and to mo te na no mo butan ni se kwa be no be fa so o mere o be support wo and na be 80s early 80 85 and Ghana for p e be kromo se to mo be dru kromo se no ne Ghana for ye ni se wo mo se bo mo baso wo mo eti association bi ti se ko woman asanteman ebron ene enkran ena infante wo mo ti se ena ne to so mienu wo mo tin sore esu okromo se and these associations are a community association, baby, will be a free, and then surrender cabo more matibi say Ghana Union. It is an umbrella organization. be omote ne say number 1 kwan ben ye befa so ye betumi aboa ze ne okan ne so obi mu kire no ye nyina betumi aboa se nipa and number 2 say bia obi kura de emfa say aban epese oni Ghana fo edinkita ho ontimi nka say okọ asante ana say kowu ana say ebro ni organization ben na aban no eni sankofo bedinkita na ne etoso miensa udi kaka say bi say ebi obi ho kire no so obi ho kire na kwa ben ye befa so ye bitma ire organization edi yinyina no obeka yinyina bom ye bitma boa say nipa enti ye butan ni say see ye beka bom ene ne etoso mienu kwa ben ye befa so ye nia no ye bitmi aboa ye awa kwantiu enti ye butan no ena butan no so ni me pi ewo ebi a business ebi community events ebi a yemfase ebi akore bi ho akire no na school semu kwa be ne be faso asa akora no ebitma akire no ade ebi a nema a akire no school ebi na etosin kakra ye we teacher fo bi omo atu omo asiwo so omo nso ye ombere ombeboa ye sani counselors bi ewokru mu ya na ye no mu dinkita mo se bi akore bi woni ho kire ne nsem bi ko na brebe mu a ebi a ontimi nkan kire o maami a na o papa yenso ya na ye de ama social workers or community enti anyway pie o ho a yetimi ye so na nsen akore bi kure se mfa ensio efa be kire se wo mo maami no so kwa ben na obefa so a ebi a ye bitma aboa no oni aban be design ke no be obi asem to no enya de bi ono no betimi aka se bi oni na no de Bagana Union ye ni mu an ye no ye tuma yere ni ahwe kwan be fa so ye betimi aboa se nipa
ye da se pa wo djuma amudi mi gidi se eye djuma kese na wodi ato ho so a wodi anim me ka se wodi ato ho se fi se wo na wo gina wodi edjuma amudi na anim una wodi anim una wo ye leader ewo edjuma me nka so omo a eboa no nyina no team no nya ade omo nyina ya ade but me hu se leader de edjuma be ko yi a na free leader nti omo aka wo hu nyina me bo omo nyina aba so na me pese me hu se community members na me ka ho are they really involved ewo de mo ye no how involved are the community members
to me that's so be a question Osha you will be a friend council meeting is set association president no secretary and na say ye dia sofo association so aka enti ye dia ne say busimi nsia bia yehia
okay
ni hia ya na yehwe enema ekokoso ye community kwan ben ene ye befa so a ye community betumi ayere yetumpo enti no nipa ne de since I mean be president be 2 years 1.5 years ni emi ya twaso ne say me sete bibi say engagement is a kwan ben na mefa so a ye community no be much more involved and nature say be omunya involved but kwan ben na mefa so ama wo mo ye more engaged enti any say every 6 months be an year all the community leaders they to see me ya set ya bibi a friend no leadership platform WhatsApp asofo wokru mu p sa platform so and association presidents p platform so and they say we share technology a yentimi ntwen say busimi nsia ansa na yebodawu wo ne me ekoso enti use information very quick the name esie no fast enti yewo information age 10 years ago no with my say be every 6 months here and every month but this are name ekoso it is our platform you use our platform na ye de discussing them and ye ekoso your community a bit said yes that we are be say chamber of commerce ye buy ye set up as a chamber your community area so na me ye buy so you start to be a friend you say youth wing is okay I am quite okru man wo grow yeso wo mo nso na no they are leaders in their own right it ye be am fan kora na nka one they say we are leading in a big segment do why am for mo
youth engagement
exactly the youth engagement here idea da makoma so pa you see and your youth leaders be almost so kind one aspect and see we want the women also to take an active part here TBB say women wing a wɔn no mo hwɛ nneɛma ɛfa ɛmaa so ɛne will be to say seniors wo hwɛ a Ghana for a bɛɛ kurom ano sisi nipa ni pii they are getting to an age of retirement ebi nso a retire you know kwan bɛɛ deɛ bɛfa so a yɛbɛhwɛ sɛ nipa ɛna wo hwɛ a adeɛ bi nso a ɛsi wɔ Ghana wo hwɛ 10 years ago no ana 15 years ago sɛ nipa koraa sɛbio obi free mu community mu a ne di nipa no body no kɔ Ghana ɛnɛ no asesa wo hwɛ a nipa a free mu kurom ano yɛsi o mu nyina wɔ kurom ase etina kresa nneɛma shift kwan bɛɛ ne bɛfa so a kyerɛ sɛ saa community so obi kura ho ka kwan bɛɛ ne bɛfa so sɛ council anaasɛ kwan bɛɛ ne bɛfa so a bɛboa sɛ abusua no wɔ mu nsɛm saa ɛto wɔn no eti nneɛma asesa community de kwan bɛfa so a kyerɛ sɛ yɛn nyinaa yɛbɛka bom ne aboa sɛ abusua nipa a wɔn nsɛm a ɛkɔkɔ so wɔn life yɛbɛtuma aboa wɔn eti nneɛma a ɛyɛ ne deɛ nneɛma no dɔɔso bɛ yɛntumi nkasa yɛ ayɛ ne nyinaa bɛ ɛda biara yɛda yɛsori ne nyinaa ne yɛyɛ nneɛma a me nso mo adawro ma ne mo mpaebɔ nneɛma ɛkɔ so a me sure sɛ yɛ heritage center yɛpɛsiesie ɛna youth engagement women wing ɛna elderly wing all these things no yɛyɛ ne ade boa yɛ community
yo ɛne mo yɛ adwuma pa mo ni mo adwuma pa heritage center na wo boss no ade a ewu hia community ni nyina amafo ani age eho pa yete eho ensem a ekoso wo mframa mu eno nti wo ha de na ubebiebie yani bebiebie aso efa de botaye a de ekoso fa heritage center no eno nti etiefo ani ahwefo mu tina makonwam na mo ntwen evi se eye ade a ehia se wo bete na me so ye nyina ye bete ne edi nkomo enti mo ntwen yo yeda mase se muguso wa twen ye mu a mo twen etie enkomo a ye de etoatoa so eba no ena brocha setena ena muguso a muti e wo Ghanaian Canadian television eso na Mr. Dodo, enkomo na wode nam efa heritage heritage center no ewu hia Ghanaian community ne pa enkrofo bisame den na ekoso because yensu no ye hia ye community center eti no wo ha die na ochiam mi a woni masem ka etiefo ahwefo mo asomu a muntie free Mr. Dodo na nkasa eho
to Doris, me that's a piece where we say a question. Usha, you know, Canada has said there was a time I Irish for Bekruma and buying a bomb and my etc. Italians a buy you for a Kruma, India, Somalians, Ethiopians. Women be drew Kruma, you only a citra or massitra near non person, and is a quite ben on the first one. Won be si baby a on be frɛ sɛ ɛkɔ no sɛ wo mu fie wo mu fie ne sɛ ɔkɔ hɔ a bi ne hu kyire na obetuma kɔ sɛ fie no number 2 yɛmfa sɛ ebia akɔra bi kura ho kyire no ɛkɔ sɛ fie no obetuma kɔ ami aboa yɛmfa sɛ ebia ɛnɛ panyi bi aba trontoa so ɔne ɔpɛsɛ ɔne Ghana fo hyia ɛnɛ ye Ghana fo yini baabi wo hɔ a kyerɛsɛ ebetimi edisa nipa no akɔ ewo mu se ye won sori pii de be ne yepɛsɛ kyerɛ ne sɛ heritage center ne ya ade bi a ye si a ɛhɔ no ye befrɛ sɛ Ghana fo ye fie bituma frɛ sɛ Ghana house baabi a ɛno ye fie a
ɛno ti semeti ase a na ye community center ma Ghana fo
exactly a community center many enti ane ye community center no na yen use word community center ne say kromo say ye community center p e wo ha say enti say woni aban kra edu nkomo so community center wo so community center bi kwa na wo ma feature he so na mention no but heritage no e different we about Ghanaian yen ya story so na mention no amamren so come say bia
enti adentina we dem Mr. me kase edi na de pa heritage center very unique different
exactly
na denti na mo anya na Ghana community center
the anya ne say is more than a community center
good and no san common na me page
yes and say e ho no heritage Sa Ghanaian Heritage Center ukọ hɔ a ya mamresem ubetuma kusua sa ade mu fie. Ebi a wa hoifubu o ha wo hwe yankora akora e wo mo kromos wa hwa enkora ni pii wo wa sisi a ebi kora no wo mo no enim baby a wo mo parents free. So na me.
Yes.
Enti ye hia baby a bakosam ye betuma kire sa ade mu. Yankora no wo mu ni omdum say oh enne no kora ye kire bibi about Ghana independence. Ye hwe abakosam about Ghana fuedi ebe kromo eseye. Enti akose no abakosam ye bituma ko enya expert or a Ghanaian leader or bituma ko kansa asem.
Yo, enti mi twa was enti na de wo kan no na wo kan na me tiase ese ho no enye baby a yes ye kodi agronko a party nko a ebesan so education center so sama ya kan ho.
Exactly. Wo kan no wa kan yi pa education kan culture come, entertainment come, businesses come. Te bibia na udro onso outmu se e so feel se mi organ feel. So na me chira. Aha, e hono je se nya de bia wo no ko sign paper ansan wa ko. We ye wa fie. Sa na present ni e use heritage. Heritage ni se e connect ye ni Ghana for e wa ha no with our home e we fie Ghana. So na me chira.
The heritage
ye chi the be free by. E de hono de je se Obi kure free Ghana no oba okay be say new arrivals. Obi kure free Ghana no oba for the first time. Okosa center ho na. Ama for bit ma boa. You will need power why be immigration, one more ideas or bit ma boa. So na me here what resource centers, resource facilities wo wa e bi obi pay juma obi so bit ma boa. Obi e bi a resume ana o person kire kwa be me fa so ame no se person me kire e bi a my CV. Why na be kire ebi akore bi uko school dan na kuchire no aho yetime kochire na de nso ho enti heritage ni de link ye connect ye any fie e wo Ghana ana ye krum Ghana e my sa link no enti ne friend heritage ye kase community center and restricted the person e is more than a community center yenia Ghana for a history your culture your bakosem enti ne friend heritage.
Yo, enunti juma sa heritage center ya ye fiase. Monya mwabi efri aban ho ana.
Very good question. You will be say a question say ye pa. You start here and you start here and say ye ni aban edi nkuta. Any association, other businesses. But one thing is say project here about 5 to 10 million dollars project. Yeah, Ghana for what is here population in Oklahoma. Yeah, now there about 70 to 90,000 ewo Ontario has it. Entino answer ye krani ni abending kita. We see a chire say ye ni a community no. A henny wo. Ye ni empese ye di ensapan ni aban ko din komo so me sika. Ye pese a chire say ye nso no ye boy ahomode. Aha, dia boy ahodi aboy. Enti na ye no ya start to see ye pese ye di ensapan e kwa aban ho. It your lunch is after your lunch in August the 12th. It decided that your lunch in Toronto Plaza Hotel. I church musiki here baby a side. I make a say grand ye hunsa sending baby no as is here no ye. I near buying 18 kumo. I desire kitamon. I bet you sue one of the locations. And to me answer they said, Nientia and as ye young quarry, yes, I near buying any guitar, you know, any guitar. Ya church you want your woman seen businesses woman in the area. Busy a perseverance on the aircon. Maybe I will say, I did just say, will say into boy, the emphasis I dine.
And no, a quite bad so now move fast to any says, Sikano and some work by home.
Then you see a very good question. They start here and say a launchy project on the air and say, get a knee bio crume piano. Your requests will be a bit between $100 and $500 for 1 year. 100 and 500. Now, also closika and swan, you're being a piano bit me at the other one, $100 and $500.
Just a gun and EPO chrome habit was as a say or 100 and now 500 up to 500.
500.
Okay.
And here one thing. And sorry.
I miss a mock crew no cost road.
Nintia ye can say 1 month, you know,
Okay.
but a period of 1 year, so in
Okay.
nature, which is can. And one thing is that your son will and sorry, Okruman Sudos, Ghana from sorry, it's almost about 50 churches.
Okay.
And this answer, you're classifying into 2 categories. And it said, you will a small church, you will medium, you will large, and you will extra large. And this answer, no, so no, almost your mom could be and so on. Utria says,
What the kaya kwenim?
I is here as of one or more association be from clergy association. Into 1 more year, no dink down.
What was the response?
Oh, a response has been possible. 1 more energy, 1 more fish in the air, and 1 more a cow. It was no more nipa. As of for me, no become committee. I just see no more dink down.
Okay.
It is here and near project near do project. And Ebia Missa a year project where ye project a yam coda so they mention and dashing Koran is oh young paper palm backroom and your mind a yam mayan. Nasesica ye casino, which are sebi, which is Sika ye peer away yes a fibian. And
no young come off for
and nature said, to me, and you see cake a crab and away from Nutria, who saw what tax receipt. I say,
oh, not just organize a Ghanaian union, a more charitable number.
You need a soft one ever came. You see, I know Mokabo, you a charitable number ye use.
Okay.
For this project. It is here and so contributors get beyond what the end of who your taxes are. We are who saying yes can be free.
You were take for someone almost President says, Kibia, you bet Tiano, you bet me they are filing a tax. I'm not saying on the back. It would Tiana won't to yeah, I don't know. I may say, who can say Ghana Nibia bet you 100 up to 500, just 100 to 500. You bet me are spreading on within a year.
Right.
20 now, be now. 5 for cry by was a Muslim.
Of course, the beginning now.
Na a quan ben so na mo data ben na mudi nya Ghana for no database ben na munya Ghana for no.
Yeah. Say me di kan no hwa Krumwa no Ghana for 80% and 90% ko Ghana for so. So I share.
Yes.
Enti no e one area. So na nature. And secondly, yeah set up some database. Se Ghana for Ukruma biano. Keso biano bit me use sa form. Ya set up account. Say secretary no kran say nya bi obit me tue scan na. Ebia every month biano one bit me use scan from your bank account. And you one setup. Number 2, your e-money transfer obit my. Your launch in or get trouble near design formation in a daddy. But see I plan is set. Amafo bi says oh ezi am pese metwi a hwan na se me friend ye no so no ewo ye form ye platform so call www.gcocanada.org www.gcaocanada.org ko wa e ko no ubetmayere enya information bia kwa obefa so a e bia obetwie sika towards the heritage center
Yo, and to me repeat it bill www.gcaocanada.org.
Yeah.
Epamocho e bill mi sisu bill www.gcaocanada.org.
www.gcaocanada.org. And one thing is on the 24th, November 24th, this year, a year gala dance, a dear fundraising. Side down no, a pesagana for Obia ba, ye perceive this information that will be a catch will be a near ye, baby, I could drone near a peso bians ye. And aside of that, they are set to be some may not be bad present and may call the youth. We know could think it. I was a quite better fast one much community. One can use a youth for yes, he will skip you, but near tea to community in Cabo. So the nature. And in say, and neck or be a bit fear, a be a mere shrew be. That's what it be we just got crabia, or bit me $1,000. We pay $1,000, you will be big to say gold award be. I just said that you see side down Udi. You will be platinum 5,000. You will be silver 10,000. It you no see a sour packages beer. And yeah, no crying Ghana for one. Ubu I be on no when you gonna food dear bro. I'll be Ghana for some. Ubi so why do you business or Ghana? I'll go for you or want to go to Ghana. I didn't know woman to make Ghana for could say. And you see a project a no. You must a Ghana for any bit yeska. Ghana food yeska de. But you're gonna phone come. A project beer. A bank, I see a woman's boy. Yani okuma ya taxes so so the nation.
And what's them besides buy more because other communities no minimum say awu ye bibia buy no support.
Exactly. Yes, yes you quite ban.
And you know gala dance, dinner dance here baso November 11th.
24th.
What to November 24th. What to safre aban pennyful be our more Freddy and I community now.
You go so ye tons are friends and pay for the businesses one be sponsors event. It is any kind of project we know you must say Ghana for a project, but you're gonna phone one say Twiska. Scrum one thing is Usha see Koda Crum one. One we are Canadians, one we are Crum, one we are Womu Crum say. It is anchored be crying which channel and also could be and now say beer. Or ye yemfase bia or the Wako gangs. A Ghanaian problem, a Canadian problem. Ye say, ye near their solve Canadian problem. So the nation. It's in the package ideas society a Ghana for problem.
Oh, no dear, may know ya if it's a buy no cry, send me what your community no church of and the church of Pentecost now your Rani Jonas Passage Restorative Justice Program.
Yes.
And no I buy no time violence in the youth community no buy no. I buy no was looking for Crofwa ombetimi aboa abrenase.
Exactly.
Eti ye call ye na buy no ye den oboa e ma yesika say ye fam moa.
Yeah.
So enu ti no se omuhu se ade a ye no towards a worthy cause. Sure, I think say me gidi say nya me think say aban no bebwem no waba beboa ye. Na enya me nko a ye community no ade ba ko ehia ye pa ye accountability.
Yeah.
Say sika ye gidi so enko nipa ba ko bottom. And say so enko a friend is saying Ghana Union team on penning for now who come bottom.
What is that question?
Sir, and Ruby paint, sort and Nuntino me per se, Utimi church the moon, Emma. For Ghanaian community, TSA, Monia break, said almost any abreno. It's when no any amodi bedia bro cries and Kodipa Kuboto. Knitted through our down on open yabro. Yansani program, you know, the Kobo, you say when you break. Into Pacho, Mani Tuja, not a tear for near for yeah.
And I said, Minion by Midwasi, so this is our question. Me Kruma say no since I'm a big Kruma, baby, I'm a man. You are brought me to peak as any account, baby. If we be big governance, governance in this set, who build this structure. The structure near checks and balances. Me say no, you do. I'm here present. Me anka say me presicum organization. No, me to my sign. Ye sign checks and nipa band nine. So the nation. But that project will ye be to a come back. Why ye from Mr. Odoi or ye accountant to Krumwa, a month of Pinum, or Casa accounting team. One Mr. Larry, or no see accountant, or also come. Number two, ye a soft form organization, or paying food to as a accountability team. Yes, sir, would a youth too, encourage young people to independent sexy, woman, if he seek a sepso. But yes, almost just to get for the sake of say almost just. We put so many structures in place. And we put money into the bank, but we don't take money. There is no need because near and be So in nature, it we deposit, but we don't take money. But we have structures. One thing is that once all charitable number we use no Kruma, there are a lot of regulations. So in nature, Kruma you never go prison because of idea. And me no, yana na me kano. Baby am ye juma, you be I from ethics. Ethics and say be am ye juma. The fact that me more interest say be a bit ma could do upon be na masanko juma. No. No say me no bank am ye juma woman. Wo mo expect say my brabo outside bank wono. Sir. Ya brabo a kire say e fintem bibia eni so na nature. It is a me could discover baby a. Mejuma be bomb. Me
patriote for mate. Me pese ye nyina ye nya assurance na se ye yi sika bia ye nwinwi anka se sika ye di kra no e koboto obi botom. Said your kind professionals na ye adwuma. Enu ti no enye se sika we e na omo be ma omo adwuma ayeden abowo. Bank interview makobida ye bisa se wa bokro no da. Ye bisa say when is Kenya or the other. Oh 80 minimum se wadwuma mo adwuma hu hiamo enu ti enyes community sika nipa be yi na modi be dwane ana mu bedi enti no ye da sese wa kyerɛkyerɛ mu na se de ebasa ye nso ye yi sika na ye mo anhyehye yen enu ti na ema mi bisa o sa asem no enti wo sika no de mudi komu no munyi
the bidda. So one thing is that a car yeah for the project so the nature. And send me di kan we shall accounting system by law you have to produce that accounting statements it's very important and the beer you have to account for it but yeah setting up this account say it is an account I set for this project and yet for any other event, an answer for a party, an answer for traveling. No, that's not what it is. Jessica near the seed baby, the I ma, I need no one, say a papa more, I retire Kuma, that you won't call out Museum fee. And the objective is Canada, Pesagana for a good home. Say you pay a dear woman, there are your doctors will be your near person we are and so baby dear mom community. That's really motivation. Woman the idea say be as idea or yet nature so or dear a dinny man I say and as or the pisica baby sign your pisca and yapon yes as you can hot and never musica. Near Ghana Fusika did. I'm just asking you the idea by your dear. Yeah, me a friend you do. Person that you know me, but come yes, Eva pay. How did you do? I don't know. It you know me did the person me bought by.
Yeah, that's a pa. Yeah, that was for the assurance. Would ya my no, ever my hockey can say yen day, yen yam Epa mocha mu amoshe nyina mutie ye me say botaye ye botaipa botaye ye ade a wo say ye nyina no ye den ye boa na yetimi nya community center gina ho ema ye empo no say nya wo mpo a wo ma wo nananum bi ebetimi aye den enya ho mfaso yo ye da ma say Samugu so watching ye mu amo twen etie enkomo a ye de etoatoa so eba no ena brocha setena ena mugu so amuti e wo Ghanaian Canadian television eso na me pacho ukika nyema bebre a community no moye ede boa na mitidi se bibi ko community no na nkoyie nso a mo so mo wa ano se mo bebem mo aba beka na se wo hwe ye social programs a ye o community ni tuturu aye yo asem here baako a eye community concern adwuma mi ye nti no metete nkrofo de ba menim ema menso no mehu na eye ye a ye ene ye outdooring a ye emra ye de ye no wo so ka wo sen efri say empe bebre no ye no free ana ebi anadu no wotwe no du ebi wo ho kra na ekwa akopema nopa no miensa adwenkyerebe na wo and as a leader of Ghanaian community no then I will kafa ho
to me that's so business question me so ebisa me amafo pii ebisa say me say do kwa be ne be fa so a ebia e be sesa time me sai time no me ni mpanyfo pii edi hu nkomo wo hwa em se be June July gena ni ke bi kwa ye bi em se be 2 o'clock ku fie na em se e bodu tiu e wo baby we start here na for before then na for aka a year time no more be is asking me see no am for bisam say akwhwe akoresa nye say bi ofre ye asebe 2 o'clock a bi anka sa akonhie anto and a year no uhwa so wahwa ga uko a year ye nyina ni nipa ye na ye no a set time was set time a ye wo DJ MC ye wo photographer sa ankrofo nyina no ansa ne bit masesa sa amra no anan enyemra asa bit masesa sa asem gi se ye ni sa ankrofo nyina eyi meeting se wo no a wo no a wo twa picture MC ne keke obi a no nsia anasa no nan ye nyina ye wo eni by 10 na sa ankrofo na plan ene na twa se enya de bia sa yie no ebi bit makoso ete se ne question se no obi sa no ye ni it's not an easy answer. Say, be a bit me Ghana Union, a bit my cassette, and no be a year bear 4, me and Pon be 10 o'clock. But ye bit my kind of say a community conversation. You know, it was on the 28th of October, ye crown, ya settle be a prebia sorry. I can say community conversation forum. Sanko would ye a person be a dinner me ever. Kwa ben ye be faso near my ye any community moi and moi. I bit masisa no nye yi nkwa ye oni me pia ye ya kire se e bit say ye nia ya bra bone health enuane ye die you know there are a lot of conversation e ye so kan one thing say u nyina na se una utiswa emwa so na nature no ye gba kro ma ni susu ano ni obetma aye party up to 4 o'clock enem nipa e kwa ye mpanyimfo so ye nkwa na ye say wo nkwa ye bedtime 20 years from now no say ye na na jukwa e bi ne nhu bio. The one thing is say, see a year yo near cast time no quantity, a intimate son of Bear, see to me convince community in say. Niente a year pesty assistance idea number 1, a health. Yen near just say a pumping. Yentimi and control.
Because I did cheer so
exactly. It was all your penina said exactly week you lose our sleep now. I will impact our wow what pumping. Number 2, a safety. So the nature. It is a conversation yen to me can say would drink a quite your time no so ebra reason. If you reason near side reasons health and you know yeniano safety away your community. Go ye 2 o'clock trade. Ne bin so said you no be one mun saka kan no nam chiran kwa na accident e bi atune ne kan kan emwaye Ghana ye up to midnight. Ghana ye no sia ne apon. Ne amanfo kan say ya na e bi ko adwuma na jo. But me there is a macacha amanfo say a ye no a ye nyina emwa say bitman abo say ni paskase. It is say be a table bi kura esi ho be 5. Wo no 5 o'clock say went man kokura na ko bo nsa ne otimi free ho. So
said the okay, me no so say yes, be a obi a woo krum ha. I was here tenasi ye. Na maybe my yammy pamiensa. Mejiji sika adofo, ejiji sika, Emma minye ska de mawo. So ba ko di ansa no be kokra no. Ena mejiji sika adofo eni na me frɛ omo. Ba kon ba omo ma munhwe mu force mu ma me na fofo metnia numbers me frɛ ya na mejiji sika na de ma say di pa miensa mi kenyina obi anya yie because me timi gigi enough for my woman
Yeah.
back with a fan tickets cry it me gigi say was it me sua sa de na brofo no mo ye bi wo adwuma mu na ayi ba na wo kwa o mo timi de bibi envelope mfa na o mo de aboa it ka be ye fese ye ntwen se nipa no krampo on kombra no me ye yi ansa because wo kwa kra na nka wo hie sika Iti wasi ye education ma community no wahu edi komomo mu hu se unu ye bi hu ka fa uti obe kon fashion envelope $20 kwa na dia man no de ko no obe ba na kan ni nanim
Yes.
Be ma na dwin bi se mentrase na menya yi Nti no ye da se nti se de wo ka no October ahead.
October 28th. Ye kosiada. E wo previa sorry. Ye pona sorry 4 o'clock na. If ye be say community conversation forum. Ye ne the Faculty of Social Studies at York University. And ye ne community. Nti si ani ye pe ye panelists and yes a discussion. And yes be a lecture, a conversation. A topic okay. No so hinya pa e come. Criminal justice system and so can you quite dead the prison and so come what say you know never p I person start yes our conversation no sa komodie no quite bit my faso ye nyina ye kabum I bit me aboy
Ehia pa media e ka me ko a se unim se me ye aware program degree
yes
seminars ni ade oh me say me the course singles they say crowd them be matchmakers
that's wonderful
then be o baby o peyira wu me o baby o baby o peyira Mr. Dodo pacha o tibia no amamehu eyesi e be keka omo abomu na nso no enyesi e ka omo abomu keke counseling o be hia so mo de awram so enunti na me di ato me ho so ame yes ade no if you say omo ankasa no ekoka omo hu bom wo baby no omo na omo niti aware bo se ye nchire crans na omo akom na de ye me de ni say aware a e me desa wo di aware some kan saware engineer violence in the youth unity community in the bebada so aware ejina na asumdwe so eba aware jina ana sorry jina enunti e very important say anansa ye me desa mode eno aye den aka ho eti for ahwefo me pamocho October 28 mumie nyina anya baako ni yenko di nkomo na ya na ye me ya say ye programs bi say ya community no emma emmeboa eyi ni outdoor no pen wo say yeko nanso we no so eyade ehia pa say no so no community ye nyina ye bebom ni akodi sa nkomo no yo yeda mase samuguso watwen ye mu amotwen etie enkomo a yede etoatoa so eba no ena brocha setena ena muguso amuti ewo Ghanaian Canadian television eso yo Mr. Dodo yeda wasepa we biebie ye nini ya so ni bibia ama ye hu de ekoso ene adwuma pa community no organization no an association no mo ye edebua community it is say no obi wo fie na o hweye na onim dia mo ya ene se ene wahu obi hia mo abi a obefrem na me pa twa mo number bi a de betudwa
eno so
me no matete ne me bi a mo ye a eno kra ya moso emre nti nti no yeda wasepa se waba na me pese wo maye challenges baby na me wo we metimi aboa with the challenges obi hwa wo fie ono so wo kwan bi obefa so de beboa challenges be na mu face as a community and as an association
right sisi one thing is ukwa Ghana Union Ghana for and Ghana for Ghana Union Intino one problem me feel say ye nyina e hia ye moa any young people ye man Ninti America sa say encourage pi wo so mo wi school no mu nya adwuma nya ebi wo ho a school no wagya bi wo ho a ebia no we di 17 no awo na onimu ebia ankore bi wo ha na omu the prison obia na ye refi wo mu ankore bi so no mo join gangs so ankore ni bi so wo mo ya de pa be ne me kan se e de one challenge bi a me no me fisa as a community no kwa be ne be fa so abo sankode eni number 1 number 2 ni ehia ye pa e nkabom no se ne me kan ye se ye nkam mu be the only thing is say community bia na si ehu se butai ben e daye ni so na me anti wo kan bi se sometimes yetimi organize program ye magana for pa obo se ni pe ba na ni pa akra bi nanso no say yesu ba na ni pani pi me nka se e kwa yi
and Ralph, I was surprised to see this number.
Yeah, it was surprising. And you know sha and no any e bo ho da wu se kro we say no se giufo bibi kan mo a se ne omu kabo India for and bi wo parliament wo hwe Somalia for Ethiopians ni nyina ye kabo na si ankam mo a you know a chira no pun se ye community no e omu se so but enya de bia ye bit metumpon enti misre eno ye one challenge ne toso enan eye ye ne apomudi sometimes wo wa wo call the doctor on course for bra or constantly a minute draw on ye kaso onye say ya onye chiankwa ye so nipa no nyare wo entisa ubi se mo a utumo se ni pe bia na yare no na ye wo da kire se doctor kra no nkobi eno so ye one problem I no na ye pese ubi ayere etwe ne ogbo ma pomudi mu yie pa ena ne etoso enum a me fi say a challenge for our community ni say tene na okana wohwa ye ebia community bo ho a de bia sankitwa bi na awari na de awari gye aba ifie sei me na natama na otiase no sei bia bibi kure koso awari se mu ne amanfo anadwe no maba na ye sisi kroma no so de ye sisi oh a bibi asia na ye de kollo ya ho na afi na awari nagu na afi nkora no na omo na kyese nkora obi anfo omo sinti awari gye ne ba na yese maami ne papa no nko a be o mu ni nse nkora nso ka ho nkora no nkora die no wo pese e bia o maami ne opa e bia o mu bechi so it is no one problem it ne ma ne bia enum empese mbobo so be ye de bia ye nso no ye ntra ho wo so ye expert anti kra me no kasa wo ye sa ne ma ne bi kwa ye be fa so e be ye expert ne etmaire ya boa sa ye community wo sa ne ma
yo emi say de wo kan nyina no eya de amenso no eya me passion pa na mitimi hu say de wo kasa no sese no ope ye nyina ye nkambom ne empe solution na ansani a pepper solution no so was ye timi uproot to the causes of
the root cause
niema cause na root cause na ma sa niema we nyina esisi no and also ye bedi hu nkomo ye share na efe no ya hwe solution timukuo no na say ye nyina ye kuo na ye solution oriented and ye say ye be ye tobe sa da bi ni ye gya ho asense ho na mo we kwa ye be fa so a ye betimi aye de ben a solve problems e call your community ni mu a enu ntie ma sundwe ma enu ntie ma ye ma sese ni nyina na wo say ye nyina ye baako na ye timi ye de ye nko an ye ntimi nye de enkotena wonka just say community ni nyina ye kabom unity is very unity is strength so what I say eti no yes community members say ye nyina ye kambom ne enye baako nyintimi fight okun bia ewo ye community no mu ye da wasepa ne won church na ansa na be kono unyuma doso wu baby wo ho in terms of community support and run now you say me ba meeting can atefa by na what ho me pie ni say ore so me timi wo fu adwuma kra na ba ho and na youth programs yi nyina wa frem kra mama ba na abakasa or na no so wo mu no say the ban say the whole month the crowd ni adaje.
Yeah.
Na minim so wo yire ne mma. Me pa cho wo yire ne mma.
Me wo yire ne mma.
Mma say.
Me mma matu. Mma mienu.
Mma mienu. Okay, pa cho mo design.
Wo mo di mfie aduonu nan. Na ba so di aduonu mienu.
Good. Why are they na me pa cho we a family man. Any nyuma we nyina wo ye ka ho. Esa ka wo adwuma pay job ho. E dey kwan na wo fa so a wo dey relax, wo dey relieve yourself of stress
Yeah, a very good question. Maybe one thing is me quite sorry. Me will be a misunya me ba.
No sign so quite sorry. And I'm sorry,
me a penny bow, near my family, near mammy, and I saw me catch her. So, but I miss one because so me quite so na me no one thing is if you are dear, so ye be would they bow me beer, a yelling yammy issue. Then yammy sure the man make a say she can share or more what day. You know, or piano or more or erring or what was the no so everyone. Near to see me, Miss me will be a fear so no hair and me take it a kind boost of a crack. And the book go what
we not quite kind book. I don't know how they really
they really books who me to book could be a book could be a autobiographies and kind books about people who have gone through big things who can about Mother Teresa, who to say man kitwa or ye near me P, who kind book about Nelson Mandela or ye near me P, who kind Dr. Martin Luther King, ain't he who kind book about Sanko for now woman a true almost yours on the bunny. It two kinds of book on a new to show a show of crime. Sending a way crime and ya debut or ya debut a subia, just a one of 1 hour day boy. It is I near Maca Crania and I near Tossed like a baby and Sam may me and say. Sometimes I give me a die and me change kakra and you may near hand there's my son.
What type of music now okay?
And Christian the one if you go out to say Christian
uplifting
uplift too any OT and in your say a more GG you know as I actually in me a also and it's I am metia and also no a guapa and the way they made Ghana Ghanaian Canadian television near Moye be no more cosunya. I'm set near Moyen a yema ye community, your community quite the whole world. The same medium we see to me use you bit me dear what not only people in Canada, UK, everywhere. And you are more yeno me bomb and basopa and to be via Muslim here I'm officially bit my boy. I made my cook a new one with some or me assunte. You would GG say, ye Ghana for I would true to Yami or dear ba has say, Yenny bibi, and Winnipa. Me was there every she must say, you bit my idea on pipe ball, then a moon cruncher, with their mine. Some in ya a mobuton, you must say, you bit my ebenema near their boy community. Ain't Moncoso and Mon Pine mine. Baby will be our one. A swing main pie, so on you should be a mama pudding or mamma pudding, more mamma will be a mission.
Yo, yeah, that must say, some good to watching you more train a tea and comma, ye dear, a twatwa so air bano. And now brocha setna and I'm good so a muti. Our Ghanaian Canadian television, so. Also, Yamin Shroud, yet I was say your friend one puputi. Now, out of your busy schedule, no, when you're quite buying, who community who don't see, yet I was say, Yamin Shroud, cost no own shroud, no cost on your book, say, Uncle so Mawa, who are dinner, down and down, or bit me dear, ye do my power, your community. Ye must say dear, I'm say, ya quite partner so, ya am point. Ye must say every year, ye bet tones are from Beba. Now I bet church and dear Heritage Center, no baby, a air call. Now, when no accountability, who baby, boa contact, now community, no elfin baby, air day, air call, I say, and cram my yet to Yesika. Yamin Shroud, Mr. Dodo. Yo, a tear for any answer for. Ye na ye can say Mr. Dodo ye dana say. so de yen abefa niema ekoso community no wa be yen about heritage center die enti ehia se yen nyina no ye boa na yetue sika na yetimi de ma community ebem na enyimre medam nyina se mwanya mre no mwatie yen na da sene ye besan ahia bio me Doris Osebonso na abrochire asetena na ye de ba mu afie mu na mi nhira mo kopem bra ye be hia bio bye bye.